Hi, this is Amy from Blastcan. This is our different types sound blasting unit in storage. We can produce any type, any customized sound blasting unit, and we have all different types of sound blasting unit in storage. Hi, this is Amy again. This is our manual type sound blasting unit in storage, and over there is a high pressure type sound blasting unit in storage. This is our high pressure sound blasting cabinet. This sound blasting unit with high pressure blasting port during sound blasting jobs. This type of design is mainly to increase productivity during blasting jobs. Contact Amy to know more. I'm going to introduce you a manual sound blasting unit with cylindrical, with pneumatic controlled door and a rotating table during sound blasting job. This blasting unit with automatically rotary table, which the parts will be automatically pulled out of the blasting chamber after completing the sound blasting job. The rotary table will automatically rotating during sound blasting. This is observation windows during sound blasting jobs.